Good evening and thanks for joining us. I'm Jim Patton. The 10-year-old boy accused of stabbing and killing his 12-year-old friend has been charged with murder and assault. San Diego 6's Derek Staahl joins us live from juvenile court with more on what's ahead. Derek?
Jim, good evening. The 10-year-old boy is expected to appear at a detention hearing tomorrow, facing charges that legal experts say are extremely rare for a child his age. Tonight, the candles are burning a little lower outside the neighborhood where 12-year-old Ryan Carter was stabbed in the chest and killed. The 10-year-old boy accused of wielding the knife has been in custody at juvenile hall since Monday and now faces 2 felony charges.
I do juvenile cases all the time. I've never seen something like this before.
Criminal defense attorney Matthew Speredelozzi says murder charges are exceedingly rare against young children because California law presumes kids under 14 can't be criminally liable for any offense unless prosecutors can prove a higher standard of guilt.
The prosecution has to show with clear and convincing evidence that the person under 14 knew the wrongfulness of their act.
He says the court will consider the boy's age, experience, and understanding of the circumstances. The accused attacker has not been publicly identified because of his age, but neighbors tell San Diego 6 News he was prone to angry outbursts and was taking medication to curb them. Speredelozzi says medication could be a defense if the boy's attorneys argue the drugs changed his mindset in a way that prevented him from intending to kill his friend. Now back live at tomorrow's hearing, the 10-year-old boy will enter a plea of true or not true to the charges, not the traditional guilty, not guilty, and that's because juvenile proceedings are a bit different. They're normally confidential, but a judge in this case does have the option to open it to the public because it does involve a murder charge. Reporting live from Juvenile Hall, Derek Staahl, San Diego 6 News.
And Derek, a case like this just seems like a tragedy all around here, but let me ask you, could the boy's parents be held liable?
And Jim, the criminal defense attorney I spoke with says that's very unlikely because when you're talking about charging the parents, you're talking about criminal negligence, and the standard for that is very high. It basically involves reckless conduct, but civil negligence isn't out of the question. We could see a civil suit after the criminal proceedings run their course.
All right, Derek Staahl reporting live. Derek, thank you so much.